Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Printivator, and today I'm going to be showing you how to smooth out your 3D prints to get that perfect finish. So whether you're working on cosplay, props, models, or any other 3D printed projects, this technique will help you achieve a professional look. So let's get started. For this build, I've chosen to use the knee from my Tank Trooper armor build. And as you can see, we have some definite visible layer lines that we want to smooth out. First up, we're going to apply some modeling paste using a metal scraper. This will help fill in those layer lines and create a smoother surface. Apply a generous amount of modeling paste to your print, spreading it evenly across the surface. Make sure to cover all the areas with visible lines. Next, we'll combine the modeling paste with a small amount of water and brush it on. This will help get into all those nooks and crannies that the scraper might have missed. Mix the paste with water until you get a smooth, paint-like consistency. Then use a brush to apply a thin layer over the entire print. This helps achieve an even smoother surface. Once the paste is dry, it's time to sand. We'll start with 120 grit sandpaper on a rotary sander to remove any high spots and smooth out the surface. Be gentle with the sander to avoid removing too much material. We're looking for a smooth, even surface here. After the rotary sanding, we'll switch to 300 grit sandpaper for some hand sanding. This will help us get an even, finer finish. Hand sanding allows you to reach areas that the rotary sander might have missed, and gives you more control over the final smoothness. Now we'll apply a thick coat of filler primer. This will fill in any remaining small imperfections and give us a solid base for further sanding. Make sure to apply an even coat and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Once the primer is dry, we'll sand it down with 300 grit sandpaper to smooth out the surface even more. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth finish. If needed, you can repeat the sanding and priming process to get the best results. Finally, we'll apply one more thin coat of filler primer to finish things off. This last coat will ensure an even and smooth surface ready for painting or any further detailing you might want to add. I also used this exact process on my Tank Trooper helmet build, so make sure to go check out that video as well. And there you have it. A perfectly smooth 3D print ready for the next steps in your project. Remember, patience is always key with this process, and the more time you spend on smoothing, the better your final product will look. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more 3D printing tips and tutorials. See you next time.